think about being a third. I've been thinking, I had this little checklist of things I wanted to say, and it kept getting shorter and shorter and shorter. Anyway, it is with great pride and joy that we celebrate this remarkable milestone, the 10th anniversary of Novotel. 10 years. It's a decade of stories, a decade of memories. When we first opened our doors in 2015, the vision was simple yet ambitious. To provide Araneta City with a world-class facility where comfort meets warmth and every patron feels at home. Over the past 10 years, we have grown from a promising newcomer to one of the most trusted names in hospitality. As much as we celebrate the 10th anniversary, we must celebrate the journey that we took to get to this point. As you all know, this journey has not been without its challenges, but each trial has only strengthened our commitment to excellence. I would be really remiss if I do not acknowledge those who were with us in the journey. We are grateful to our loyal guests and patrons, of course our dedicated team, and the supportive ownership and stakeholders. To our loyal guests and patrons, many of whom have been with us since the beginning, your trust and continued patronage inspires us to keep improving and innovating. To the Novotel team, your dedication, professionalism, and passion are the heartbeat of this hotel. It is truly gratifying to see that the people that I was with 10 years ago, many of those people are still here with us. Thank you for your trust in the stakeholders, thank you for your trust in the company, and thank you for your trust on the ownership. And thank you for embodying what Novotel Araneta City stands for every single day. To the stakeholders, your support and collaboration have allowed Novotel to reach new heights. Through very trying times, especially during the pandemic, I am very proud to be part of the stakeholders, the ownership that have sustained the hotel and the team and the business. While looking back at the last 10 years have been very gratifying, we are very excited to be looking forward to the next decade. Novotel, as everything else, will continue to evolve and innovate to new heights. That is not a hope, I think that is an expectation. So again, thank you for being with us tonight. We are going to have a long evening, a long and happy evening. And good luck to the fourth speaker.